All right, guys. So 2025 Ford Mustang 5.0. Showed you guys what it sounded like before with the stock system. Took all that off. We've done X-Pipe, Flowmasters. So here it is. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then goes down into 2.5 in, 2.5 out X-Pipe right there. And then out the back into 2 Flowmaster Super 10s right there and right there. The part number on the Flowmaster is 842516. I have a link in the description for that. And then we ran it out the back into quad, matte black, double wall, powder coated tips right there. There you go, guys. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 2024 Mustang 5.0. Factory converters there. There. Goes out, strudeled. Add the factory resonator there. We took it out, put an X-Pipe in its place, True Flow X-Pipe, and ran it all the way out there. And then we did Outlaws in the rear, right there and right there. Part number 815425, 2.5 in and out. And then we used reused factory tips on it right there and right there. So we didn't do anything to it. There's one of the old mufflers there, the mid resonator. So I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. So those are the 2 rear resonators and the rear mufflers, and then the resonator in the middle. Forgot to show you guys, so. But here we go. Mustang GT 5.0 Flowmaster Super 10s X-Pipe. Go ahead. Got 103 there for a second. One more time. Like it? Much better, yeah?
Yeah, sounds good.
So he's got it peak at 104 that time, so it's probably around the 110 mark when you get in on it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. X-Pipe, Outlaws. That's good. Sound decibels? 112. Yeah, 112 a second ago. connections, and X pipe in the mid. It's the old stuff right there. '24 Mustang GT50. X pipe in the mid, Outlaws in the rear, stock tips.